If you want to bring your lover back, to you, you need to use this Agaracha Must Come Back powder. Okay, if you can see it very well, it's called Agaracha Must Come Back powder. Now, what this powder does is it is going to bring back whoever that is your lover that have left you back to you. Okay, whoever that is your lover that have left you back to you. Now, there are two ways you can use this powder. Okay, let me be showing you so that you see. Okay, there are two ways you can use this powder. As you can see, it is black in color. Okay, there are two ways you can use this Agaracha Must Come Back spiritual powder. Now, this powder is not for everybody. This powder is for lovers that their partner have left and want to bring their partner back. Okay, if you want to bring your partner back, maybe they have left you for 2 to 3 years or more than, or even less than, you can use this powder to bring them back. Okay, so I'm going to share with you how you can use this powder to bring them back. Now, the name of this powder is called Agaracha Must Come Back. Okay, Agaracha Must Come Back. All right, this is a very powerful spiritual powder for lovers. Okay, so if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gideon. I share spiritual tip here in the channel that will help your relationship and love life to be sweet and beautiful. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up if you like this teaching, and I promise you you're not going to regret subscribing to the channel. Okay, now this Agaracha Must Come Back. This powder, as you can see, it is on white piece of clothes. Okay, I just lose it like this. Okay, when selling it, I package it very well so that my customer will see it on their end. So I decided to lose it like this because I'm making video with it. Okay, now this powder is a very powerful spiritual powder. Okay, that you can use to bring back your lover. It's very dark in color. It looks like a charcoal, but not charcoal. There are some particles and items that is being put together and burned into ashes. That is why it is black like this. Okay, now what you need to do is you write the name of that person that you want to bring back to you. Okay, you write the name of that person that you want to bring back to you. You write your own name. Okay, now you take this powder. Okay, and that name that you have written, put it inside something, like inside anything that you can use to burn that pepper together with that powder. You burn it into ashes. Okay, and when you burn it into ashes, you are going to use that ashes to call the name of that person that you want to bring back. Okay, this is Agaracha Must Come Back, so you need the name of that person. Okay, now what you need to do, put that ashes that you have burned together with that pepper inside your palm and call the name of that person 14 times. Call the name of that person 14 times. Okay, you are going to blow that powder on 4 different directions: the east, the west, the north, and south. Okay, you're going to blow the powder on 4 different directions: the east, the west, the north, and the south, and command that person to come back to you. Okay, you can decide to give the person time. Okay, but you make sure that you command that person to come back to you, that wherever they are, they should come back to you. Okay, this is what that powder does. Okay, anywhere that person is, whether the person is sleeping, whether the person is walking on the way, whether the person is walking, this spiritual act, this spiritual practice that you just did is going to force them to come back to you in no distant time. This is not going to waste time. Okay, it's going to force them back to you, back into your life, and they are going to love you more. Okay, they are going to love you more. This is a powerful powder for lovers. Okay, not for any regular person, but for lovers, people that have lost their relationship, people that their partner have left. Okay, if you need that your partner, use this Agaracha Must Come Back powder. I just decide to lose this. Okay, so that you see how it is. Okay, physical. All right, so use it to bring back your lover back anywhere they are. Okay, it is called Agaracha Must Come Back. Okay, now if you need this powder, if you want me to prepare this powder for you, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Okay, if you want me to prepare this powder for you, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Or if you want me to do this Agaracha Must Come Back work for you, like you want to bring back your lover, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Okay, I will help you out in doing it. Okay, all I need is the name of your partner and your own name. You understand? I already have this powder, and I'm going to do this assignment for you, and you're going to see your lover back. Okay, if you go through my community, you're going to be seeing testimonies of people that have been coming together after some spiritual work that was done on them. Okay, so this is something that you can use to bring back your lover. It is called Agaracha Must Come Back. You can go and ask people what is Agaracha Must Come Back. They are going to explain it for you. You understand? So this is something that you can use to bring back your lover back. If you have any question that you want to ask about this particular thing, you can use the comment section, or how to use it, or the effects. Because I know some people will start asking whether it has side effects. You can drop it on the comment section. I will answer you. Okay, but this item does not have side effects. Okay, so don't be afraid of anything. But if you want to ask any question, use the comment section. I will still answer you. Okay, so this is something that you need to use to bring back your lover back, right? So if you want to talk to me directly, chat me up on WhatsApp. If you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe and give the video a thumbs up, and make sure that you share the video so that somebody out there who have lost the love of his or her life can be able to use this Agaracha Must Come Back to bring them back. Okay, so here I'll be wrapping it up in this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.